All right, so I haven't made a video in a few days just because I really haven't been trading except for yesterday and today. Haven't seen plays that I was really sure about. And yeah, let's jump straight into this. So this is KCPC, by the way, some crypto security kind of company that just recently yesterday there was news about John McAfee joining this company as some sort of strategist or some key member, which right away made me want to jump in and buy because I knew that would make it run. So I got in at around 126 in and around this candle right here and sold it up at 267 for a $1,200 gain. As I put in, I think it was like 1,999 or 97 or whatever it was when it turned out to shares, as opposed to, because it's not an exact even number. So reason why I didn't hold overnight, because you can see this double top here. I wasn't sure I was going to react into it. Turns out I probably should have, but I still traded this morning because I didn't hold on, because I've never really done a play like this to see how the news would affect it overnight. Looking back now, I can see why it worked out, because it wasn't announced pre-market. It was actually announced somewhat midday, which caused this huge uproar here. And then this morning I got in at 280 and sold at 340. Again, this time I used a really small position actually. I think I put in like $800 or like 800 something bucks. I made 183 I think US dollars, up 21% this morning. And you can see it just came right down and kind of corrected itself. You can see there's some support level right here. That's it for me with this stock. I'm not interested in it. So the reason why I got in here was because I saw it up pre-market. As you can see, this little gap up here, and it was all over Twitter as well. You could, if you type in the ticker KCMC or KCPC, you would see how many people were talking about John McAfee joining, and the volume was there. So I was hoping it would run a little higher, as the last company he joined and ended up actually ousting, didn't really get anything done with. It went from like 50 cents to $5. So when I saw it kind of pulling back, I was still holding up here in the 370s or the 360s. And when I saw it pulling back, I just decided, you know what, I'm going to take my profits, 21%. I'm happy with it. So overall, almost a $1,400, 24 hours or less than 24 hours for me. I know some people made huge money on this, a lot more. But again, I'm trading with a pretty small account, so I'm really happy with how it turned out. Yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to comment below on this chart or anything else. And yeah, see you guys later. Thanks for watching.